Hypocrites are talk, loud them make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. Our thing them can't lock off. You mad? Hypocrites are talk, loud them make them sit and talk. Our thing them can't lock off. All them can do is watch and talk. Hypocrite them a watch you. Them a try to stop your things that them can't do. Speak my mind family, what's up? Windy afternoon. I don't know. The voice still not come back as yet. You can't hear it. You understand? But you know what to do? Come for do a little short, quick one, yeah? You know? And this one is about Larry the Lizard. As you hear me say, hypocrites talk, all them can do is sit and talk. But sometimes them talk and talk and talk and talk till them mouth smell like toilet. Cause beer, them talk. Before me get into the video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. You understand? And remember, young entrepreneur college student, link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. It not cost you nothing. Just a split seconds to go up on the channel and like and click subscribe. And the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support that channel also. Life is a Mission TV. It's my backup channel. Or I should say now it's my second channel. Yes. No backup no more. Second channel. Family oriented channel, you know. Fresh environment, you know, different things. Cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, you know, with the adventure to come. A little drama, news, entertainment, you name it, commentary and a whole. So just go over there if you're not subscribed yet to that channel. Life is a Mission TV. Remember to add the TV because you might add Life is a Mission and see a lot of Life is a Mission come up. So make sure you add the TV. You're sure to see the channel. Back to what I say. The other day, I think it was what? Not last week, I think it was week before last, or one of them days. I think this brother from Canada, where Donna did meet at Canada one time, him that Jamaica and him visit 99. The same brother will come with the mic and him video, personal and thing for video, like him come for do an interview. Yes. And it ended up that Donna was the one who interviewed him, taking the mic and I interviewed him. And you know, a little part of the conversation where Donna was talking about that, you know, the perception of people that people give to people overseas not to come to Jamaica because crime and violence and whatsoever, which that is all over the world. And even in the same America where most of them there. I see some terrible things that happened from the other day. Which it always do. I mean I see them things that happen in Jamaica. Mass this, mass that. Man a take out family, son a take out mother a take out, you know, that's the same thing over and over. But what me I try to say, then I was like saying, when you come, you're free to go anywhere you want go. See, yes, all the saying go. See, ear blind and deaf and put yourself and watch people business and talk. And only if you know this woman come and play about the woman recording and twisting it her way. So you see it? You see it? Where these people, where this, them are trying to tell you, say, you see it? And them are the one who are breed crime. Them are the one who are this. And them are... So, what I want to know is that, yes, and she tried to make a big thing out of it on our platform. So, we just go, as I say, sometimes we don't really want to play them, but we have to just show them up to the public. Because it is clear that this woman here just feel like, say, and, you know, what me want people, me feel like me want she to be the first person to be served. Me don't know about Uno. But me want she to be the first person to be served. You know the reason why? She come out in her phone every day and make it look like, okay, oh, when she hear about lawsuit and she hear about this, oh, why you gonna think Donna can't sue me? Why you gonna think she can't sue me? Because I don't say nothing what she not say. Or what she say me say. I talk off of she. You not talk off of the woman. You misinterpret the woman. And your misinterpretation is what going to put you in a problem. Because your misinterpretation is allegation. Because if the woman come and say she moved the tree, and you interpret it, say she thief the tree, it's an allegation. She never tell you say she thief the tree, you know. She says she moved the tree, and you interpret it and come on your public platform, come say she thief the tree. That's an allegation. What you gonna say? That she did say? When you interpret things your way? When she can't find nothing more to say, because she repeatedly played that part of the live from Donna live insert about 10 times during the live, and when she like our people them in the comment section now respond to her about it, she go back to the Western Union whole saga. So me I gonna make her listen. Alright? So I could start it right as such. Where she can pronounce participation or participate. Listener.
To participate with the calling. Let me pin the number.
Let me play about that part of the phone with people. Let me play about that part there. I want to listen to all creature there. We come on social media platform every day and mislead people and I call on judgment on other people. Them can't even pronounce a word. Them can't even spell, them can't read. If you look on them title most of the while, the amount of mistake what they make. I mean, no, it's not typo error. Because you cannot make so much mistake day in, day out and call it typo error. Typo error do make. You understand? But no with she. Listener, how she pronounce participate. Listen keenly.
To participate with the calling.
Participate. You're lucky never bite a piece of your tongue.
Our comment. Right. That means if you see something and you talk, evidently them are basically say you go dead. Princess Rose, big up yourself. Alright, my sister, me hear you loud and clear, yeah? Loud and clear. Loud and clear.
You hear? We're going to show you where I cause a crime in Jamaica. Because basically, if you see something and talk, you go. There's no way the woman said that you interpret it that way. From me, I grew up, born and I grew until now, I've been hearing this. See I'm blind, hear and deaf. What don't concern you, nigga, leave it alone. You understand? Why you think every day the police force can come out and telling you and promoting, talk what you know, talk what you know, and them still not getting anywhere? Because they are the same one who are saying talk what you know, are communicating with the people that we are coming, the same thing where you are talking about. So who for life matter? My life matters. My life come first. So if me know me I go endanger myself and my family, if you go say, boy, yes, me did see when time the man XYZ over there, so, or up the road, or down the road, and me did see when him do this, and me did see when him do Tara and Wara, and put my life and my family life in danger. For who? For strangers? Our neighbors? No. Lock them here. Rock up this. Me if you want to smell them, me car cut this too. You understand? So what the woman say wrong? And it's easier for you to live in the garrison, see blind, ear and deaf. You never know who will be coming for you if you don't do so. So you have to protect your life. Oh, that a breed crime in Jamaica. The same person was supposed to stop it and uphold it, are involved in it. So who is me? The same person where I supposed to go report to and inform, you know, and give, say, boy, you know, say John over there, so I do something when I right. They same one involved in it. Oh, me I gonna know, say, them have John in them pocket. Or them not have John not have them in a theme pocket. That's when me go up on the phone and me call, okay, yes. This is 119, yes. Or this is the Olympic Garden police station, yes. Okay, I'm speaking to who? Constable Brown, yes. Constable Brown, you know that I just see a gentleman take the letter out of the letterbox of 15 Verbena Avenue. Yes man, and him a walk go up the road. Yeah. And him in a one blue car. I walk up the road to one blue car when him come out. Okay, noted. I will send a patrol. And the patrol him send, him already know about John. Said John will do them something. So you know what him do? John, where you there? Yeah man, me there on a Verbena Avenue. You know, so we just get a call from you. Yeah man. Left the scene. Not to mention, if them know who make the report. Why, you know, so Tony just call or Tony just come down here and come report to you. Come report upon you, say XYZ. John take away himself, take away him for take away. So all the crime I go solve. So what me can do, if them were supposed to uphold the law, now uphold the law. Hey, I feel like people are iron and steel. People life come first. Since you have so much evidence and you concerned about what is going on, why you don't fly from America? Report what you have to report. Give American authorities your evidence and come to Jamaica. Come report it to the local authority with your evidence also that you have. That all the way you say I go on and she do. Come with the evidence and your proof. Fly to Jamaica. Be one of those concerned citizens who want to help crime and violence. Be one of those concerned citizens who want to stop the S word from going on. This from going on. Be one of that person. Fly down to Jamaica, man, and come with your evidence and report all of this matter that you have for 3-4 years to the authority. Don't stay upon your phone, America, and call. Yes, you know, say this and that. Come down with your evidence. Come present yourself physically. That's all you have to do. Come like one load of cow. Shh.
Alright, loud and clear.
This is why, you know, if you don't notice, this woman that do a live or 2 or 3 every day. And her night little one, sometime all 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, she depend live. You know, and I choose not to follow her up most of the while. Yes, I choose not to follow her up. Because she thought nothing with sense. Yeah. She thought nothing with sense. So I choose not to follow her up. Because I could have come and dissect her videos day upon top of day and night upon top of night. But I choose not to. Because you see, when you see certain things when it makes sense. But there's a time when I come and I go do one and I go do 2. You don't like all this now. I have to do this. She got to ask her people then. If you don't think I'm thinking smutty this time, come on. You feel free to pop participate. So, make a listener.
Most of the time I don't think smutty. Alright, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready, steady, go. You have on the popcorn. Eh? When I have on the popcorn, you know, so rain of I should have done buy me chicken. Yeah, nice. Start the show. You go anywhere you want go. Once you get yourself involved and trouble people. You go anywhere you want go. Once you don't mix up yourself in a way you concern you. You go anywhere you want to go in Jamaica here. And me go anywhere, me not be any people.
I want to listen clean, you know. All who never depend the life that day because I was on it. Listen keenly what 99 say. You understand? And listen for your interpretation of what 99 say. So now listen keenly.
Yeah. So what kind of news me on the ear? So evidently, if you see a look up in here get raped, you can't talk.
It a go play again. I'm gonna want to listen it again as soon as it play again. But you hear what she say? You know hear? Evidently. So if you see a little pitney I get RAPE, you can't talk. Nobody never tell you say you can't talk. You can't talk. You can't talk. You understand? You can't make your son be your problem. For you and your family like how you did do it already. You understand? And that's why you have to run it from Jamaica. And when you run away, you lost two of your loved ones because of you. You understand? So nobody not tell you say you can't talk. But if me choose not to talk, you can't tell me if he talk. And if him choose not to talk, you can't tell him not to talk. And if she choose not to talk, you can't tell she not to talk. You want talk, you talk. Me a see ear blind and deaf. Him a see ear blind and deaf. She a see ear blind and deaf. You want what me your ears and do all you want to do it. Nobody stop you from talk.
And that them I say, if you see a look up in here get raped enough to talk. And that's what them I say. If you see scamming a go out enough to talk. If you see them a thief the old people, them, the elderly them, I scam them out enough to talk. And that's what I get from this note. Okay?
So, like how you see this and you love to talk or you're talky. As I said earlier on in the video, why not put your evidence together, bring it to the United States government where you live, and then take a plane, come down, and all your evidence that you have gathered, you come and you carry it to the local authorities. Sure, we say you like to see things and talk. And lead from in front and set the example and talk. Come down, no man. You don't have your evidence. 3-4 years, you're supposed to gather enough evidence by now. So why not come and talk? Since I talk, you like people to talk. You show the example, set the example and come and talk. And prove what you're talking.
But them put up in a position, right? To make a life. Yeah. Nice. Start the show. You go anywhere you want. Go and get a silver and chocolate. You go anywhere you want. Once you don't mix up yourself in what you call you go anywhere you want to go in Jamaica here. And me go anywhere, me not be illegal, me not yeah. So what kind of news bring you go anywhere with your criminal? So I wonder if you don't get the drift when you get. So that means
You have to continue to drift, till you can't see no shore. You can't see no island out at sea. So there is no drift there. But you going to continue to drift because you're trying to make a case out of nothing at all. Look where you come on your platform I talk about. And when you say you're not getting a response in your comment section, can you imagine your comment section will always respond to you? Because the two little people who comment in your comment section is not on behalf of what you say. It's the same old thing. She has this, she a liar, she a terror. That's the same thing. Them now respond to the topic of what you are talking about presently. So that for sure you say your audience not getting anything from what you are saying here. But they are just participating. Yeah. You know, participating. Yeah. You know, tasting. No part of the tasting. By saying the same old things what they always say in your comment. Yes, man, a true man, yes, man, she a liar. Yes. That's all.
if you say a man do a pitney something or anybody, not only man, a woman do a pitney sitting or a woman do somebody sitting, you're not fit talk. You're not fit talk. You wait on the day, see. I want to know if Jamaica belongs to Donna Marigo. Honestly, me I go prove that. Who Jamaica belongs to.
Donna Marigo, not even Mountain View no belongs to her. Not even the lane where she live in a 99 no belongs to her. So if a Donna, yeah, look one can do you something physically. Or somebody you have to lay your blame pan. After you have so much troubles and trials and tribulation, if you come face, if you come here with your people them, where you do all kind of chatting span because your mouth enough for you, and all kind of things and people who carry feelings see you for how long, we make you have to run with. You understand? So when you come and you buck up in them the people there, you know blame Donna Marie goes she do it if you get the opportunity to do so do. Because you never know, you can't tell. Because you can end up drop asleep permanently, you know. Yeah, man. So, it's on the hope when you come here, you know, just penetrate Donna. Or you don't penetrate Donna none at all. You know, have to look over your shoulder for Donna. Anyway, you look over your shoulder for Donna, you say, look to see when time you're going to serve the paper. But not physically looking for her. Look for who really wants you physically. Not Donna. Donna don't want you physically.
I know that. Never know say Andrew, wholeness, have criminal that take over our country. Have these demons, this cult. I use scamming take over our country. I never know that. Never know that.
Jamaican life. Yeah.
Nice, start the show.
Listen again.
You go anywhere you want, go and get yourself involved.
So, you see what I say? So when they do a water house and I mix it all for criminal, they was what? The pretty type of criminal? I mean, if you have ugly type and pretty type, or you have good criminal and you have bad criminal. Because I consider criminal spelled the same way. You understand? Especially in English. Probably for Japan, Chinese or whatsoever, it might spell different. But I know criminal spell the same way. And all criminal mean criminal. Not care if you're a minor criminal, petty criminal, big criminal, you're a criminal. Simple as that. So, I don't know what you say.
Come man, no comment, no participate. Let's me like a life and go my bed.
Participate. Let's me like a light and go my bed. Because there's nothing for them to participate in. Because what your topic is so foolish.
Alright.
You could just go to your bed and say you don't have nothing to come with tonight.
When you see certain things on social media and people saying certain things, is there any time that say, we're tired of this thing, you feel like we're not give up?
Okay, please differentiate what you mean. Is it saying things about me or other persons?
Talking about you and what you see on social media, you feel that's why you can't bother with this no more, and give up.
Okay, on social media, over the past 4 years, my character, my name, my brand, going on with all different kind of defamation, all different kind of allegations. Some of them I hear, some of them I don't hear. But as my grandmother would say, it's not every day leave a go. If every day leave a go water, one day the bottom of a drop. I don't wish to speak on social media. All I can say there's gonna be a judgment day.
Prepare for it. And with all your big bad speech them what you have, me want make sure you prepare for it. You see, look like your own agony reach you from what day. Look like your own agony reach you from what day. And oh you cry, you run gas station, you call police, you do all kind of things. And look like your own medicine. Them hold you and drench you with it. Like he's a young baby. And you pit it out. Because it's bitter. You never know. So when you get up and give people the same medicine where you pit out, I see where it's bitter to them. Yes, man. So prepare for judgment day.
Alright, you see, we do a lot of...
I was judgment day. Alright, so
Don't worry, it's coming.
People.
And I see him there leaf drop in the water, it rotten.
people wait name your character and your brand. Let me show you how do it. You do it best. And let me show you how you do it best. You and Donna do it best. Let me show you.
Watch it now. The people them not commenting on the topic where she start the program with. You know what she do now? She gone right back to the Western Union situation. Whenever did I get no traction either, because it is of no substance. You figure more or less say a big company like Western Union establish money transfer place like Western Union. Did I go sit back and allow all of this to go on? Eh? Tell me the honest truth. We don't feel so people? But what, we not idiot. But we just know that they will try to do and say anything to push this woman in at the bottom of the barrel and pack things pan her. You know, like when you send down certain things at work and true you don't want to pay the duty pan it, they put it way down her in the middle of the barrel and pack other things pan it. Yes. This is how them want to do. So they must say anything pertaining to this woman. You understand? Listen, Western Union part she gone again.
Let me go right down and show you how you do it.
As a matter of fact, that is old story. So I not go play that part there. Old story that. I not go to some people. We got to bypass that part there. Because that not go nowhere. That not no traction. The Western Union saga not no traction. So I can skip over that.
Would I send Smith to Western Union? I send $50 for Smith. I was Smith go there. Why would Smith boom me? Why? Wanna pick sense out of nonsense. If you are decent law abiding citizen, human being, when you're in a no illegal activities, and you went to Western Union and they ask you, which I must ask, what did them ask that? Them ask, tell you come pick up this money. What would you be for me? You're not going to stand up and tell them, say, listen, why would you ask me a question like that? Didn't you see my name there? Because you have the right to say that. So not unless the money that go in a fair name for true, that me tell you say it's a true story she talk.
Alright people, let's skip out the audio part of Donna. When Donna did get the Western Union saga. Because we don't need to play that, we already know that. But what me I say? Just show you how this woman stupid and continue to sound stupid and trying to bring something where baseless across to the public. Alright. Me live in that community here. Donna live over there, so I live round so I up so I wish you ever. Donna tell us she was the one who used to pick up the money to the Western Union black card. And then basically she have to start get people to pick up the money. One person can't pick up money from these places on a regular basic. And a everyday basic then put it this way and a sum of money just come into this person because you're going to get black. So in order to collect the money, yes, other people get involved to collect the money. How scam coming at this? I better you say the woman need to register the charity. If you did swing on the basic of that, would I say okay, yes. But people in a phone see the natural, honest work what this woman here do. Willing to send them money come from foreign. Through money transactions agency. And them send them money. They wasn't scam out of their money, you know. They see what is going on the phone. Donna never take up the phone and call none of them individual and say, can you send me $50 to give this lady? And when them send the $50, the woman not get it. Them see we are going in a phone and them want to be a part of it because them love what them see and them see the honesty. Unlike when Uno had the phone thing, there wasn't no honesty. Boom, the people them are go. Alright. Donna take up one little woman over there, so one little man. Where probably don't have a job or nothing at all and can earn $1 here. So from the percentage what is going to take from the money to give to them. Donna call them. Not even Donna. Paula might call and give a person your name to go pick up. This person becomes a regular pickup person. These person becomes regular pickup persons. So them name are going to depend on the system. In every organization you go, you can go back up on people who strict. From the dot to the I itself. From the T, from the crossing to the long strokes. You have people who are strict. While you have a next set of people who just easily go in and make sure everything is okay. So for instance, you go to the embassy. You're in the line at embassy. When you look, 5 counselors there at work. And when you look, 3 or 4 of the counselors, everybody go to them field. Everybody go to them field. Not turn down, bang, turn down, come back next year. Bang, turn down. But when you look over the corner in the line, almost everybody I get through. So who you want to go to? That person. Don't it? You want to get skipping the line because you don't want to go to none of them 4. Because say, what I'm saying here is that 5 of them did work, but the 4 of them in a different mood from the one where I give visa, you know. The next 4 now I give. So let me break down the analogies. It's simple. You might go to a Western Union today. And when you go there, you go say you show them the tracking number on your phone. Them just look and that's it. Them not ask you no question. While you will go on next day and the next person, or even the same person where you go see yesterday, go and ask you questions after you show them it on your phone. Who the person, where the person name, where the person live, where the money come from. That's how it go. So if this person go up now to the window, after been collecting money for a period of time, as I said, repeated pickup person, and collect the money for a period of time, and that particular day or morning, she might go in front one of the teller them, who is a no-nonsense teller. Them go buy the books right through. Everything in the book, if they ask you for you to get the money, them go through it. While some, and the thing is, you know, them place there, them randomly just probably ask you questions. Some just, for you have your tracking number, name, correct with the ID and everything, them give you the money. Some randomly just ask you the questions. You understand? That morning, that person who go pick up might buck up on somebody in a mood, or somebody will play by the books, or someone who play by the books. Yeah, that person play by the books. So basically now, that person go up on the system and them look, and them say John Brown in front of them, John Brown ID. But when them go up on the system, them say John Brown collect money on a regular basic. And about 20 other different persons, with about 20 different, not under somebody else, different name. Because we say under, them people will misinterpret you. When the person look, them say John Brown collect money from 20 different names on the system. So basically this person or one of the person now, you know, we are going to do some questioning. So if this person turn and said, John Brown, who you collecting money from? Remember now, you know, John Brown don't know the person, not even Donna know most of the people, them individual or parlor, or just phone business. John Brown goes so boom now and can't say, boy, yeah man, I know the person or I know the person. The first name John Brown I call, you know, a Donna name, you know. Because she or him pick up the money for Donna. That's for them understanding, so them pick up the money for Donna, because Donna are on a charity. So with this pickup person don't know who send the money individually. This pickup person now, I gotta say a Donna. So Donna name Africa. Because them don't know who send the money to them. Them just get a name and know say go pick up the money, carry your ID, because the money come down in a your name. Because whosoever give the person the information, if you pick up as a pickup person, so you have to go pick up the money. Anyway, the person goes to boom and check. So you don't know the person will send the money. No. So oh yeah, get the money. Yes, Adana send me to come pick it up because Adana money. That no mean say Adana name there. That no mean say a scam. But what? the teller at the time, I play by the books, and when she look on the screen, she see this person name, and about 50 somebody send this person money already. So this person will play by the books might get curious say something go on here. So when them start question the pickup person, it kind of come in like an interrogation. The pickup person don't have much to answer because the pickup person don't know much to say. More than is either Paula tell them say, if you come pick up our money and give them the name and information, or Donna send them. You understand? So with the little interrogation we are going, the person might start get boomy because they can't relate to most of the questions that have been asked by the teller at the time. So the person might start get boomy now who have sense and can't stand firm and hold them grounds, going to start get boomy because them don't know what's next if them got the police come in and handcuff them. And that's simple how it is. But you make it look like say Donna name over there. I saw Donna big. That people send money in a Donna name and then now when you realize you not talk bullshit. You come out and you talk how much she work with the people them. That is when you find out so you not talk crap, you know. When you come out, come say she work with the teller them. Because the money come in, how you forget ban and money still a coming for your name. And in no way the woman ever said nothing like that. Say people that pick up money in her name. No terms it that way. You understand? And this is why you have to ask the question, if the money legal and if the money this and if I not this and I do, so why this and why that? It is simple. The person don't have much information about who's sending the money because we obviously know that these pickup person don't know the people them who are sending the money individually. Understand? None of them don't know the people them who are sending the money individually to them. And if you are asked questions pertaining to that and you can't answer it, and the people don't go deeper and interrogate it some more. So, oh, you get the money, where you get it from? What people send your money, and you don't know none of them, you're going to get boom, especially though I'm going in Jamaica. And this is why you have to go through so much process now. One time gone, them a process, you know, go through with money transaction. But since the big S come, you go through all kind of interrogation because they give you $40, $30, $50. And as me say, today you will go to the Western Union and everything smooth. Tomorrow you go, interrogation and questioning. You can go today and the same person will deal with you today. Just look for your tracking number when you give them it and say your ID correspond with the name and everything and you're gone. Tomorrow you might book that person and the person in a different mood. Sometimes some of them entity have zero tolerance. Yes man, sometimes some of the entity them have zero tolerance. Even the police force, you have a time when them come out and them say today a zero tolerance day. This week a zero tolerance week. This month a zero tolerance month. So things where they would have let you off the hook with, you're going to pay the penalty. You understand? Things where they would have let you off the hook with, you can't get to cause zero tolerance. So anything them say I do breaking the law. No, this question now use. So as a motorist, you go through a stop sign and they say and say, boy, alright, I want you know, next time not do it. When a zero tolerance day for you go through it, you know, say from him hold you. You have to pay the penalty. And this is the same way most of these entities run. You have time when them interrogate you, you have a next time them just so easy day. From your paper, you have ID match up with where you come and your information from the system, you're good. Another time them interrogate you because them see you collect money 10 times for the week. Yo, trust me, I'm sick and tired of them. I can't wait for Donna. I don't know where she'll wait for them, man. And as I say, you are the first one I want you to go at. You must be the first one. Everybody will come after you. I could show you how we fight corruption.
That's why you see she send out the net. That's why you see she send out the net. True story she talk. You're not late. I won't say them late. True story she talk. Why would I send money to somebody and Western Union and ask them in return who send them come pick it up? Evidently that means say I pay her name it a pick up in it's sending.
The woman never said that. At no time the woman said that. At no time the woman said Western Union ask the people them who send them come pick up money. Lie you a tell. It's the interrogation at times with some of the people them. Some people don't have no understanding or nothing, you know. You have some people who easily will tell a lie upon themselves, you know. When them come on a certain little pressure, you know. And not everybody can manage certain interrogation, you know. You have some people afraid of police and afraid of jail like that, you know. You have people where we go about them legal business and authority to stop them and so and them start telling a lie upon themselves, you know. Because them get jiggy and not like them do nothing wrong. At no time he hear Donna said Western Union asks who them a pick up money for. Western Union asks the people them who send the money come. And the people them cannot relate of knowing who send the money more than just know the name of the person. And that's all when them go on to the little interrogation, them will say, Donna send them come pick up the money. That no means say Donna name they in the system. But what? They know that the money where them pick up, Donna forget it. But uno interpret it the way how uno want to interpret it. And that's why I want the woman come out. Not even uno like you. Everything you misinterpret for the woman and twist it and turn it your way.
So them have a question who said it that them go call and say so and so day I say them come to pick up money for you. Allow me to tell? True story she talk. Say true story she talk. And that's why you see she has sent out the net. She has sent out the whole army. But listen lady, you do that 2020, you do that 2019, you do that 2021, 2022, and it still no work. It now go work in a 2024. You have to send your gunman them. Now go work. So send a link where you have in America. Send them. It now go work. Not going to work. Good morning, Rogers. Pierre lie. No, the one you should about Western Union, that's true she talk, I see him say go. And you listen exactly what she say, she tell you how the scamming go. Well, I'm if you play something, on this whole year, when she send the money, when the people then send the money, she give them all kind of alias name. A scammer.
You see what she talking now no substance? When the people them send the money, she give them all kind of alias name. You see? A biggest. So that make it a biggest. The people them just don't want to be known. You understand? Because as oftentimes said, some of the family members them do the people in America so bad. When them they are foreign and help them ungrateful. People that are foreign and send them money to family members to do business and do certain things. Them near me out, spend it out. You understand? Some of them, the people them that are foreign, I will send them a money a week time or a month time. And the first them send the money today, and by tomorrow them the people them want money again. So the people them try to hide them identity. Not mean them I do something wrong. Them just hide them identity from the public. It is simple. But as me say, you terms it the way how you want to terms it. But God bless your soul, you know. When judgment day come, God bless your soul.
Western Union are not idiots. They might want to know why this person here and member scamming a go on. Have so much different name and pick up from. So when some of them don't get money, who send if you pick up this money? Them all out Auntie Donna. Who is Auntie Donna? It's a charity money and we said them children will come pick up. Western Union.
That's how which part they misinterpret the woman, you know. And terms things to them way, you know. When you hear me just tell you, no? Who send never come pick up money? Because you pick up on a different name. Auntie Donna. Them now go call the name where them get say boy them go pick up the money from, you know. Cause watch it, most time, enough of them all them do is get the tracking number, the receipt on them phone. So them just go so boom. Some of them they look on the name, forget them can say boy a John Black. Send the money I come, so if them ask me who, me can say John Black. Them just a rely upon the receipt where them get and know say them have them ID will match up for them name and address. Boom. So when the question throw at them can't say a John Black. Them have to say Auntie Donna because them know the money is towards Auntie Donna. Whether Auntie Donna give them the information for go pick up the money, the information of the person to go pick up the money or a parlor, them they still never go say parlor. Auntie Donna because them know it's all about Auntie Donna charity. But you misinterpret it and twist it. No misinterpret, you don't know, but you twist it and turn it for no way.
Okay. Them a call it, ask them for the donor number. You know the person who send the money to you? No. Donor them buy you, I'm not to put you up nothing. Western Union, when them a send the money, Western Union interrogate them a find, you know. Who you know in Jamaica why you sending this money? You know Miss Donna? No, I see her in a phone, cause that them tell me say Western Union ask them.
Tell me where the woman has say wrong. Tell me what she say wrong. Tell me where you want to get from it. Tell me what she say wrong or what she has say wrong. You tell me.
Why you picking up your money sent to Miss Donna? I want to see Miss Donna doing it. You know what me think of though? You know say all of this a player, I don't say a donors. Why donors them there? When you get afraid, one time on that call, I want you there. Because when I should have call.
No. The so-called donors them where you talk about, I expect to call. Them stop into your foolishness. So probably you have to go look some new one. And send some $20 that I go give them because they might hungry. And get some new people to come work with you. That is it. The people them will usually set up a call and talk about them a donor. Yeah. Stop work with you because them realize say a crap you do. Foolishness.
And can tell all the Western Union sit to go. I want to go and curl up away from Judgement there. Away from Judgement there. One now should have done call and explain all Western Union what's the treatment when you get when you go through Western Union. We don't know money. I want to go through Rushmart. I want to go through Curve by Tina. I want to go through Carol. I want to go through Paula. Call man and tell me where did which channel you want to go through. I will leave a channel there now. You have the pick-uppers, you have parlors, you have Rushmarters, you have Curve by Teeners, you have Carolers. The amount of channel, but you don't have Donna Marie God.
And you can't block none of the channel them. You have fight corruption for 4 years. With so much evidence, not even the FBI wait so long. Cause if the FBI have crucial evidence, they come for you within 2 weeks, they might come for you. And you're gone 4 years. Yes, we do know. Them wait long sometime. But you have critical evidence according to you. No, you can't come forward with it. No, you can't come forward with the evidence. And the corruption you fight.
That's funny. You have so much channels to pick up the money, but yet you don't have the owner for it. What a bam bam. Oh, that not look good.
There's Andrew Willis is the Prime Minister of Jamaica. There's a lot of money gifted to Jamaica from World Leaper, from World Bank, this is a Taranat organization all over the world. No night going to Andrew name? No. No night not going to Andrew name and I him around Jamaica. So Donna run the charity and choose not to accept the money in her name because she don't want for her personal account get mixed up with the money because at this time go say she do the biggest. So she choose not to do so. And because she choose not to do so, she do the biggest, don't it? I say I better only come out and sit down on the woman name. Say she run unregistered charity. And she figure register the charity. Would I keep my mouth like I not say nothing? Because that's only have a point. But with the unregistered charity where she run for over 3 years, I grew and I expand. And nobody can come forward. Say she ever biggest them. With no farmer evidence more than come on platform behind dark screen saying that they are donors. Paid to say that they are donors. Influence to say that they are donors. And on never ever hear no misfortune with no money yet. Why dear? Your friend Kaka I come out, she and the angel, say them a do some charity and a run marathon. $500 missing and you fight against corruption. So you just want somebody you fight against corruption with. Why you never come out come talk about that $500 we're missing? Eh? Why you never come out come talk about it? But you throw no stone about it. You understand? But a corruption you fight. You're not fighting no corruption. Because you never get no assistance from the woman where you ask for whosoever. You just feel like say you have to be an obstacle in the woman way. And all you try to hire the bar. You know them bar where the erga them jump over. And the more Donna jump over them. And you can't stop. And you won't stop.
You have everybody away from the owner for the charity. You understand that? Eh? Wanna help me do that maths here? You have everybody in the book. You have Curve by Tina.
Speak your mind, family. I'm not going further. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Sometimes we just get so upset with them people, yeah. But we just have to show them up and continue to show them up. We can't make them too relaxed. Because when them too relaxed, them are going to feel like, okay, they might do the right thing. And they might get somewhere. But bless upon yourself. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both channels. If you're not subscribed yet to Life is a Mission TV, please go ahead and do so now. And the young entrepreneur college student, link up our YouTube channel in my description, my comment section, pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. Cash App, $ Life is a Mission TV, also pin in the comment section. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. When I do them video, sometimes I can't do them with no energy. I can't see it for yourself. But I just have to do it because it's part of the work to continue to show them up. And as I say, these people, especially she, if you don't notice, I can't come out every day and do a video upon her, you know? But I say it not spell sense most time. Because she just keep repeating herself, the same old topic, nothing new. Nothing we are going away, nothing of substance, nothing very relevant. So, sometimes I just lower. But when I see something I have to talk or feel like I want to talk, I go come out, come talk. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.